If you want to see attendance information for a particular class, you can go to that class and open up its class roster attendance information. Or if you want to go to a particular student, you can see their student attendance history. But if you want to see the daily attendance, go to the attendance menu and go to student daily attendance. It'll default to the current date, but you can select any date you want. Here we have it. So here are all the attendance information for this particular day. We have the students' names, the code, the class name and the meeting, their division, and any note that was also entered. We can bring out the column chooser. We can see other information, for instance, who created the particular entry and when. This information can also be exported if you wish by hitting print. That'll let you save it to a file or send it to a printer. You also can change the auto-fit columns. So if you're going to bring out lots of extra columns, then normally you'll want to bring this information out and make room for it. You can apply filters, of course. So if you only wanted to see homeroom data, you can see only homeroom. And of course, if at any time you want to revert back to the default, just click on Restore Default Layout. And there we are. As well as seeing the daily attendance, we can also see summary attendance. This is a little different. This will show you how each student is doing overall in terms of their attendance. Depending upon what point you are in the year, it will take a while to load because it has to calculate all the sums and totals for all the attendance for that particular current school year. Here we have it. So this is for the school year 11-12, the defaults to the current year, but you can select other years if you wish. And you can see for each student, every one of their classes. Now, in this particular case, let's go to the middle school, high school. Here we have it. You can see information is entered for multiple classes. We can see all the details. And we get subtotals accordingly. Again, because this involves multiple divisions, these headings are generic. Term 1, absence tardies. For the elementary school, for this case, only Term 1 and Term 2 have meaning, while for the middle school, high school, each of the terms represents a quarter. There is additional column information available if you need it. For instance, perhaps you need a department information, or you just want homerooms again. You can also regroup if, for instance, you want to group by teacher. You could do that. If you want to revert back to the default layout, again, as before, just click on Restore Default Layout, and we'll recalculate each one of those things for you. Remember, in doing that, it has to reload the data, so that can take a while. It's done. One additional way to do attendance is, of course, your quick attendance program. That's demonstrated in another video.